Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year. So, just wanted to say to those of you that I had last year, it's going to be exciting looping with you on to fourth grade. So, hopefully, you all had a great summer. We'll be back in our classroom, new exciting things going on. And of course, we will all be practicing our hand washing and social distancing. And of course, we need to wear our mask. Mrs. Defever has purchased a whole bunch of Snoopy masks, and we will be doing some things online to prepare you in case we have another shutdown. So, last thing I wanted to share with you is we'll be entering and exiting the building out of my classroom door. Most of you that were busers last year know where that door is at, and you'll be coming in that door and going out that door. Looking forward to seeing you back at school, first day of school. Have a great couple weeks enjoying the rest of your summer.